P-I-T adapt.
Party like a Viking, 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 party like a Viking.
My monastery, oh my goodness, a missionary, so damn scary. They call me Thor, yeah, I'm the biggest Lord. Look at me ride my ship through the North Pole. Scandinavia, yep, that's my area. Look at me party like I just come from India. This is how I do it, cause I'm a Viking god.
Party like a Viking. They call me Thunder God cause I'm the ish. Squish, make them haters eat fish. Magic hammer, smack smack. That's what happens when I attack. Master bit, whatever I hit. Jotins and trolls, where you at? I'm furious and I'm about to attack. Yes, I drive a car with two billy goats. Their teeth so sharp they will cut through Asgard. So my goats got lightning. Don't mess with my Viking. Party like a Viking.
Yeah, welcome to my Viking nation. They call me Odin. O-D, and I have two furious wolves that lay in my den. At my feet, I got two black ravens on my shoulder. Yeah, what's up? They move those boulders. Yeah, they my spies. They got invisible eyes when they fly in the sky. Yeah, so fly. What's up with that eagle? I saw him trying to start some evil. Be careful, forget my raven with those seagulls. Remember, listen, I know you got a magic well. Yeah, it sounds pretty swell. Well, I want this knowledge of the old race of the Jotins, so I can know this. So keep me on notice. Listen, can I drink from your well? Yes, please, sir. I want some wisdom of this real ugly world. Yes, but what you need to give me is your left eye, so I can have the all-seeing by day or night. Listen, Viking.
Right now. You know what it is. Let's go. Nasty boy. Or to fly. Or to fly. Let's go.
Yo, I'm the biggest boss that you've seen thus far. I'm the king of Asgard. Yo, I'm the god of this tower. Watch my power. Lightning strike you. You know I will fight you. Pillage plunder, it's a wonder. Man, I'll take your money. Then I'll take your honey. Yo, it is not that funny. I am so real right now, it's surreal. Got you dreaming like it's another world, for real. Yo, I'm a Viking, yeah, I'm a Viking. You don't know how I flow, cause I'm a Viking. I don't have nothing else, so
That was our shit. Or to fly.
Daddy out.
Yo.